I've spent way too many hours squinting at tiny screws and dealing with hand cramps from manual drivers. To save your wrists, I went ahead and picked up 5 of the most popular cordless mini screwdrivers to see which ones actually hold up. I've been using these on everything from PC builds to fixing my kids' toys to see which one earns a spot on your workbench.
Product number 1, 68-in-1 Precision Set. When I first pulled this 68-in-1 set out of the box, the sheer amount of gear you get is what hits you. It feels like a complete starter kit for anyone getting into tech repair. Holding the driver, it's got a decent weight to it, and the built-in LED light is actually bright enough to see what you're doing inside a dark computer case. In my testing, the magnetic bits were a lifesaver. There's nothing worse than dropping a screw into a motherboard, but these bits held on tight. The fast charging is a nice touch too. I forgot to plug it in one night, but a quick juice up while I grabbed a coffee had me back to work. It's not the most powerful motor on this list, but for basic electronics, it gets the job done without stripping anything. If you're just starting out and want every bit imaginable without spending a fortune, this is a solid entry point. It's reliable, simple, and the 30-day return window gives you some peace of mind if it's not your style.
Product number 2, Fantech E1 Max. The Fantech E1 Max feels like a premium piece of tech, almost like a high-end pen. It's got this sleek aluminum alloy body that feels great in the hand. What I really loved during my teardowns was the 2-speed torque setting. I used the lower 0.05 Newton-meter setting for delicate watch screws and bumped it up to 0.2 Newton-meters when I was working on a laptop. It gives you that control you need so you don't snap a tiny plastic post. The pop-up case is honestly addictive to fidget with, but more importantly, it keeps all 50 bits perfectly organized. I managed to go through dozens of screws on a single charge, and the battery didn't even flinch. It uses Type-C, so I just used my phone charger when it finally needed a top-off. This one is for the person who cares about aesthetics as much as performance. If you do a lot of smartphone or camera repairs, the precision here is hard to beat. It's won design awards for a reason. It looks and works like a pro tool. Product number 3, Fantech E2 Ultra. If the E1 Max is the precision specialist, the E2 Ultra is the heavy hitter of the family. Right away, I noticed this thing has some serious oomph compared to the smaller models. It's got 5 different torque gears, which I found incredibly useful when switching between a fragile tablet and a larger PC build. I pushed it up to that 0.6 Nm max, and it handled some stubborn screws that usually require a full-size driver. The 800 mAh battery is a beast. I used this for a couple of days on various projects, and it just kept going. I also really like the little digital indicator bar on the side. It tells you exactly what gear you're in and which way the screw is turning, so you don't accidentally strip something by spinning it the wrong way in the dark. It even comes with ESD tweezers and a pry bar, which I actually used more than I expected. This is the one to get if you want a do-it-all tool that bridges the gap between tiny electronics and larger household gadgets.
Product number 4, Hodo 3.6-volt Cordless Kit. The Hodo driver is a bit of a departure from the pen-style drivers. It's chunkier, but the soft grip rubber makes it incredibly comfortable for longer jobs like putting together furniture. When I was assembling the new desk, the 4 Newton-meter electric torque was a lifesaver. It's got a smart sensor that stops the rotation the second you let go of the button, which saved me from over-tightening and cracking the wood. The storage case is a cool frosted aluminum, and the bits are much larger, 1/4 inch hex, making them perfect for household electrical work or light DIY. The circular LED on the front is a massive improvement over single bulb designs because it doesn't cast those annoying shadows while you're working. It's super light at about half a pound, so my arm didn't get tired even after an hour of use. If you're looking for something that's more of a household tool rather than a phone repair tool, this is definitely the winner. It's stylish, powerful, and feels built to last.
Product number 5, Soleilware 50-in-1 Set. Lastly, the Soleilware set is another great all-arounder. The first thing I noticed was the square anti-roll design. It sounds small, but having a driver that doesn't roll off the table every time you set it down is a huge plus. It's got 5 torque levels, topping out at 0.75 Newton meters, which actually makes it one of the more powerful precision drivers I've tested. I used the manual mode to break loose a stuck screw on an old MacBook, and the 7 Newton meter manual torque felt very sturdy, no clicking or slipping in the gears. The kit comes with a bunch of extras, like opening picks and a metal pry bar, which really helps when you're trying to pop open a glued-down tablet screen. The 500 mAh battery is solid too. I got through a few different projects before needing a charge. It's a great middle ground option. If you want more power than the standard precision drivers, but you're still working on small electronics, this kit gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Outro. That's the breakdown. Whether you're fixing a phone or building a PC, one of these will definitely make your life easier. I've put the links to all 5 in the description below so you can check out the latest prices. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know.